So when they asked where were you at when the Bulls won against the Cavaliers for the opener and Obama was here, we were stuck in freaking traffic because of Obama being here on the damn expressway with 800 other cars. And if you think I'm lying, you're lying yourself. Look at this. Look at this. Back there. See that? Thank you, Obama. It's gonna be one of them memes like I could actually blame this on Obama. Not even playing. I can stop the damn car. But I really want to hear. I'm gonna put the car in park. I want to see what happens at the end of this game. Ball game over. Bulls win. Home opener. And look at the fucking traffic. Look at this shit.